and Adrian, owner of an auto business. Sorry. Sorry, my voice has got now.